Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assuming a stable posture and the proper grip so motions are controlled. Hold the fork in your left hand, tines facing down, and grip the knife in your right with a pinch near the blade for leverage. Once done, bring elbows in slightly to steady your arms and position the plate close enough to avoid reaching. This reduces strain and gives you direct control. Make sure to use your index finger to guide the fork for precision while cutting. You now cut and secure each bite, coordinating both hands for efficiency. Place the fork on the food to steady it, then use the knife with a single controlled forward and slightly downward motion. Avoid sawing. Once cut, keep the fork tines angled toward the plate as you transfer the piece to your mouth. Make cuts roughly 1 to 2 bites in size so you can eat comfortably and avoid overreaching. This maintains pace and prevents crumbling or splatter. You finish each bite with a smooth transfer and tidy habits to complete the meal. After cutting, either rotate the fork to bring tines up or keep them down depending on the style you follow. Bring the fork to your mouth with a controlled motion and chew quietly. Rest the knife on the plate when not cutting and continue only with the fork. If a piece slips while lifting, press the fork gently against the plate edge to stabilize it before bringing it up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.